Hi everyone, I have a question for you guys. Would you ever think you can make everything you want it just by one click of button? Guess what you can. Welcome to the 3D printing. The 3D printing is the digital model which create parts by building material a layer at a time. And it is important to understand the 3D printing is a rapidly developing technology which deliver design quickly at the high accuracy. And at the mechanical and aerospace engineering student, I had an opportunity to use the 3D printing in the Fab Lab to finish my um, project of project item in the 1101 engineering class, and I am so excited about it. And I spent a lot of time of researching differently of the benefit limitation, main application processing and material of the 3D printing. So that the important thing I want to introduce you today, because the 3D printing is literally is uh, going to change the world in many ways. And there are three things I want to cover today is uh, uh, what invention that 3D printing had made, the disadvantage, and how does it work. So let's move on to the first main points. The great invention with um, 3D printing have made, and why 3D printing is stunning. The first one I want to talk is the 3D printing had a big impact in the medical field. It is currently working on the human body part, for example, the prosthetic arm and leg, and it also working on the human organs and human tissue. And with the technology, people don't have to worry about like many with organ transplants that sometimes never happen. All they need to click the button, and the the often will be done in about like 1 or 2 days. That's so convenient. And the 3D printing also affect the had a big effect in the mechanical field, and many inventions, many creation people are make in the world by using the 3D printing. For example, uh, the thing called precious plastic of the day Hagen, he make the machine that enable anyone to recycle plastic. And the second one is the spider of Droboid. They create the smallest programmable spider robot in the world. And 3D printing it also had a big effect in the factory. And instead of porcelain man our being you, people don't um, people just only all the people need to do is just use the 3D printing to make everything. And people just enter the information they need and restock its supply and run slow, and that's it. It's quicker and more efficient. So that's all the invention I want to talk about. And the next one is I want to introduce to you guys is the disadvantage of the 3D printing, and how and why they are bad. um, with the standard 3D printer, people can make a lot of illegal things. For example, they can make the dangerous things such as guns, knife, and grenade. Uh, guess how good easy it could be, how easy it could be, and what's come out from this situation. Many good bad things gonna be happen. And the next one, 3D printing can allow people to counterfeiting money. They people just need to go online and just download, just find the blueprint of the money someone put in and plug into the 3D printing, and that's it. They can get the money easily. And the next disadvantage is the 3D printing could be in the manufacturing. If the 3D printing take over the manufacturing industry, the many people gonna lose their job. And the final disadvantage of the 3D printing is about the material. And two common of material right now is are the plastic and powder. But imagine um, if the 3D printing gonna be popular in the future, they got people gonna use more material than they using right now, and it's gonna be harder and harder to find to make the material, and it led to increasing the price of the material. That's so important. So the final thing I want to talk about is the how the 3D printing works. According to the 3D printer have copyright in the 2013, there are to come there are two material. The first one is the plastic and powder. They are easily to help hold the shape and mold the shape at once. And the second one is the uh, mix of the chemical. People mix the chemical with the other material so it can hold the shape and make sure the shape doesn't come apart. And there are two methods of the 3D printing. It's the selective laser sintering (SLS), and the second one is FDM. It's called fused deposition modeling. The first one, SLS, is the higher power laser fuse together small particles of the plastic, metal, and ceramic or glass powder into the shape they want. And the second one, FTM, it takes the metal wire and unwind it from the coil, then nodule hit it and lay it down in the layer going horizontal or vertical. And what it could is gonna be hardened and hold the form. So in conclusion, there are three main things I want of the 3D printer I want to introduce you guys. That are the invention of the house, invention of the 3D printer had made, and the disadvantage of the 3D printing affect to the human future, and how the it work. So what do you think, guys? Would you like to take a risk to putting the advancement in the 3D printing, or would you like to stop it? The human life, it depends on you. That's your choice, guys. Thank you.